Ferrari road cars have always been powered by V8 or more powerful V12 engines, although the business is gradually lowering the number of V12-equipped cars in its manufacturing. Vigna, a veteran of the tech business, was named Ferrari's new CEO in September with the goal of transitioning a company known with screaming combustion engines into the new era of silent and cleaner electric transportation. On June 16, Vigna will deliver his first detailed business plan, which is likely to reveal further specifics about Ferrari's electrification approach. Ferrari RACE.MI launched the new 296 GTS convertible on Tuesday, the luxury sports car maker's fourth plug-in hybrid vehicle, as part of its electrification strategy. The 296 GTS is a convertible version of the original 296 GTB, a luxury car that costs around €300,000, $324,000. It comes with a retractable hard top. Deliveries of the new model will begin in Europe in early 2023, with a price to be announced later. Ferrari has already stated that its first full electric vehicle will be available in 2025, and Vigna has stated that the business will seek technical alliances. Last week, Chief Executive Benedetto Vigna remarked, "I'm convinced the Purosangue will exceed our clients' expectations." Most important characteristics are shared by the two cars, including a six-cylinder V6 mid-rear turbo engine with a 122 kW electric motor for a total of 830 horsepower and 25 kilometers of silent electric-only range. Ferrari claims the car's peak speed is over 330 kilometers per hour. It follows Ferrari's previous three hybrid vehicles into full series production: the SF90 Stradale in 2019, the SF90 Spider convertible in 2020, and the 296 GTB last year. Another new model, the much-anticipated Purosangue, will be released in the coming months. Thoroughbred. That will be Ferrari's first sport utility vehicle, SUV, putting the business in a lucrative market that already includes direct competitors, such as Volkswagen's Lamborghini VOWG P.DE.